Hi there, Holistretch fam. This is Frances Eve, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a very potent breathwork technique that has supported me in more ways than one, but really ultimately being efficient with my time, having more time in my day, and being level headed, being able to ground myself quicker and more effectively, and being able to kick in my parasympathetic nervous system. So a lot of different things involved with this breathwork technique, and it's so simple to do. I'm excited to share it with you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so, and let's get started. Hey guys, okay, here we go. So this breathwork technique, what we're going to do is we're going to inhale through the nose. So we're going to inhale, and when we breathe and we inhale, we always want to make sure that our belly is relaxed. So our belly gets to expand and relax. This starts to let the nervous system calm down, and it basically tells your brain that your body is chill when you let the body relax and let the stomach be soft. Inhale through the nose, letting the belly be soft. And then exhale through the mouth, just relaxing the jaw. Okay, so inhaling through the nose, soft belly, and then exhaling through the mouth. We're going to do this for 10 times. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue on. Let each breath get a little bit deeper. When you get to your 10th inhale, go ahead and hold the breath in. Keep your belly soft. And if you'd like to advance this move, you can squeeze the molabunda, it's your sexual organs, squeeze them in, and then take a little bit of more air and hold. Feel the energy move up the spine and gently exhale out the mouth. Okay, so that's the first part. The second part is we're going to inhale through the mouth and exhale through the nose. And let's begin. Inhale for 10 times and exhale for 10 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, relax the belly. Continue on. Good. And on your 10th inhale, hold it. Squeeze the sexual organs. Get a little bit more sip of air. Hold. Exhale gently. All right, now for the last part, we're going to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, inhale through the mouth, exhale through the nose. Okay, so let's begin. 10 double breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, inhale through the mouth, exhale through the nose. That's one. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, inhale through the mouth, exhale through the nose, and continue. Let the belly continue to widen, soften. Let your inhales get deeper. Feel the jaw relaxing. And on your 10th one, inhale through the nose and hold. Squeeze the root lock. Take an extra sip. Exhale through the mouth. And hold on the exhale. Inhale through the mouth. Squeeze the root lock. Inhale more. Exhale through the nose. And hold on the exhale. And then breathe normally. This is a wonderful practice to do upon waking, first thing in the morning, or even before going to bed. I really like to do it right before I journal, because it clears my head and clears any thoughts that don't serve me, and then I can journal and just get rid of the rest of it. But this is really, really great first thing in the morning. Just helps to calm your whole body down. I don't know if you noticed, my voice kind of got slower and more tired because it just completely resets and relaxes the nervous system. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely comment below. Let me know how it went for you, and I'll see you in the next video. If you are someone on their health journey and does not know where to begin, then check out my free Bliss Body Blueprint description below. Have a great day and feel free.